welcome to Open Microtomy, your one-stop shop for tips, tricks, do's and don'ts for open mic comedy. I am Matt Lamb, and I have been doing stand-up comedy for around 3 years, possibly 4 years, kinda lost track. And I'm here to tell you how to get to where I'm at. I am not an expert. I am not a professional level comedian. I am somebody who's been doing stand-up comedy for just long enough to have picked up on the things that I need to know, and I'm here to bring those things to you without having to go through the process of learning them the hard way, the same way that I did. There are so many unwritten rules of stand-up comedy, and I want to bring them to you in my channel for free, because I'm good like that. I want to bring these things to you because when I was first starting stand-up comedy, I didn't have a resource like this. I've been fortunate enough to go on tour. I've been fortunate enough to work with people such as Johnny Pemberton, David Wayne, and Mark Price all over the course of 3 years when I started knowing basically nothing about stand-up comedy. And I want to help you get to where I'm at based on some simple tips and tricks that I will be bringing to you in my channel. So like and subscribe if you want to come along with me and dive deep into the tiny, minute pieces of stand-up comedy, and we can go together.